Welcome back to our Wallbox studio. Today we're diving into the world of advanced energy management so you can ensure your customers have everything they need to get the most out of their chargers. By integrating a power meter with your installation, you open the door to features that allow people to charge when and how they want to, like EcoSmart to charge with solar energy, and PowerBoost dynamic load balancing to maximize charging speed while staying within the home's power limit. We offer a myriad of power meters to cover every type of installation. Today, we're going to focus on the N1CT meter. Let's get your tools ready. Everything you need to bring is shown here. A power meter should be installed either after the general MCB or after the utility meter if your customer lives in a flat or shared building. This will depend on where you are in the world and the location where you're installing. Today, we'll be installing it after the MCB. Let's start by mounting the meter on the DIN rail of the electrical panel after the main MCB. Then, position the CT clamp on the right cable so that it measures the consumption of the whole installation. Check the image on the screen to ensure it's in the right direction. Connect phase and neutral to the upper part of the N1CT following the installation guide for proper pinout connection. Connect the STP or UTP cable, preferably 5E or superior, between meter and charger following the installation guide. The 120 ohms resistor is included to be added between the A-B connectors of the meter. Let's make the magic happen by linking the data from the meter to the charger. Strip the cable and connect it as follows. This step ensures that your meter and charger can communicate, optimizing your energy management system. The perfect match. Set the position of the RST485 or PowerBoost switch to T inside the charger. For the next step, use a multimeter to measure the resistance at the RST485 box terminal between D+ and D-. The value should be close to 60 ohms. Once you're confident all connections are spot on, you can wrap things up. Next step, the big reveal. Turn on the charger and give it a couple of minutes to boot up. While we wait, let's dive into the digital side of things. Head to the My Wallbox app and check for updates. Keeping the app and charger on the latest software version is like giving them a superpower. Let's quickly recap on these features and how to enable them. PowerBoost is a smart feature that optimizes the energy while safeguarding your customer's electrical system. By installing a power meter and unlocking PowerBoost, you significantly reduce common issues like fuse tripping and slow charging. This means an improved charging experience for your customers and fewer callbacks for you. It's a win-win. Who doesn't want that? And guess what? It's super easy to activate. Your customer only needs to go to the My Wallbox app, navigate to the settings, select PowerBoost, set the current limit, and press save. Does your customer have solar panels? Activate EcoSmart. This feature is your green energy ally, helping customers charge their EVs using solar generation surplus. It gets activated in the same place as PowerBoost. And once enabled, your customers can pick between Eco mode to use a mix of solar and grid to charge their EVs, or full green mode to go all in on solar. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. You've not only installed the power meter, but also mastered the art of smart energy management with PowerBoost and EcoSmart. Your installations are now more than just functional. They're intelligent, efficient, and eco-friendly. Stay tuned for more insights and tips from Wallbox. Until next time.